Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video episode of Shout Me Loud. I am your host Harsh Agrawal. Well, this video is for all the new user and also for the existing user who just joined Shout Me Loud. And I have been getting this question that, hey Harsh, how do I use Shout Me Loud? And I will show you exactly how you can use Shout Me Loud. Now, I'm pretty sure that this layout would change in next 3 to 4 months, but at least you would be able to understand how you can use Shout Me Loud now. And when the layout changes, I'll make another video. So with that, let's go ahead, learn everything about Shout Me Loud. All right. So first of all, when you go to shoutmeloud.com, you will see a page like this. Now you have multiple options here, like if you want to start a blog, or if you want to learn everything about Google AdSense or affiliate marketing, or if you're just starting now and you want to buy hosting and domain, you can click any of this link and it would take you here. Like for example, if I want to start a blog, it will take me to this article and you can read this article, follow all the steps to start your blog today. Now, what interesting here is when you are reading this article, there are a lot of links like this, and when you click on them, it will open another page where you can read more about this particular section. And that's how you get in-depth knowledge about a topic that you're reading about. And this is one of the unique feature of Shout Me Loud, where when you're reading an article, you will find a lot of links which actually help you to understand, get the deep knowledge about the topic that you're reading. But that's not all. On some pages, you will find the link like this in the sidebar. Now, these are the category link. So for example, you want to learn about email marketing, you click on this link, you open them in new tab, and then you can continue reading about email marketing here. So basically, if today you feel like you want to learn everything about email marketing, or you want to learn anything about, let's say, make money online or SEO, you simply select the category and you start reading it. Now, at the same time, when you're done reading an article, you have few options. Well, you can share the article if you like, it really helps us. You can add a comment, or you can actually go through all the past comment from all other bloggers, all other users just like you, to see what they are saying. And you'll find a lot of value here. This is one way to actually engage with the community and at the same time learn from people's past experiences. Now, as you scroll more down, you will find some related content about the topic that you are reading. That is another way to discover more good articles. Now, getting back to the home page. So once you're done exploring I want to section, then here you will usually find the recent article on the blog. This is for the repeated user. If you are coming back on Shout Me Loud after a while, you can discover all new articles here. And when you click on browse more, it opens the blog link of our website, and here you can scroll, you can find more pages. You can always go to page number 2, page number 3 to find more articles. Now on the right side, you will find some of our highly recommended articles that you should be reading as a beginner or even as an advanced user. These articles will give you a deep knowledge about some of the very popular topic among digital marketers and bloggers. Now, similarly, you can click on any of this topic to learn more about a particular topic. Now, at the same time, when you scroll down, you will find some links, like you can read about how you can install WordPress. You can read about some of the categories, and again link to some of the resources. So when you pay attention to all this detail, you will be able to discover more about Shout Me Loud. At the same time, there is a search button at the top. Now, if let's say you want to learn about blogging, or you want to start a blog, you just simply type how to start a blog, click on enter, and this will automatically search the complete database of Shout Me Loud and suggest an article which is related to the query that you're looking for. Now, I highly recommend you, if you're not subscribed to Shout Me Loud newsletter, do subscribe there, because I keep sending unique email newsletter to my readers, and that's how you keep yourself updated about the newest article on Shout Me Loud and some of the tricks and some of the tips that I don't publish on my blog, but that is exclusive for our email subscriber. So that is the first place I would suggest you to get started with. Now, if you have not become part of Shout Me Loud community, you can find link to our Twitter page, YouTube page, or you can also subscribe to Shout Me Loud using Feedly. Now, Shout Me Loud also have few books that you can purchase and few books that you can download for free. So this affiliate marketing ebook is one of our most popular book. You can always click on buy now, and then it will take you to a page like this, where you can fill up all the information and you can download the book right away. The book is available in the PDF format, and you will be getting access right away. You can make payment via using INR or even PayPal. Now you can always click on view all to find some of our free ebooks. Like WordPress ebook is free, Google AdSense book is free, WordPress hosting ebook is free. So these are the starter books where you'll find all the information about this particular topic, and that is one great way to enhance your knowledge. Now there's one thing that not a lot of people know about. When you buy a product directly by going to a website, you kind of miss out on their special discount. Now at ShoutMeLoud, I have created a special section where you can find all the popular deals about the popular product. So like for example, SiteGround hosting or Bluehost hosting, which are very popular hosting, you can find discount coupons here. Similarly, TubeBuddy, which is a very popular YouTube tool, you can find special discount coupon just for ShoutMeLoud here. You can always click on view more deals to find all the coupons that we have. We have coupons from email marketing to web hosting and some of the podcasting tool as well. So browse this section whenever you are planning to make a purchase. You might find a coupon code for especially, which will help you to save a lot of money. Now, one important thing, if this is your first time browsing ShoutMeLoud, definitely go to About page and click on Harsh Agarwal, where you can read more about the history of ShoutMeLoud and how my journey has started. It will give you a good idea of why ShoutMeLoud is doing what it is doing, and that is the best way to start connecting with ShoutMeLoud on a deeper level. Now guys, so pretty much that's how you start exploring and browsing ShoutMeLoud. Now if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and do share this video to other people who have not been to ShoutMeLoud and they want to learn to become their own boss. Now, one thing I have to tell you that ShoutMeLoud has more than 2000 articles, and it is quite dense. The only thing that you need to do is you have to be willing to explore and learn more about what you can do on ShoutMeLoud. Well guys, with that, I will see you in the next video, and do like and subscribe to my channel. It will help us to grow. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.